Tia here with Mastering Pop, and today I'm going to show you how to check if you should be optimizing two separate pages on your website for two keywords that in Google's eyes mean the same thing. Hey everyone, I'm Tia Jones with Mastering Pop, which is mastering profitability over popularity, and today I'm going to talk about keyword search intent. But before I do this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. I upload videos on digital marketing and SEO that will help you to scale your e-commerce store faster. Also, if you're interested in learning how to increase your store's conversion rate, average order value, and you're ready to start getting repeat customers, I have a free ebook available for download titled The No Fail Get More Repeat Customer System. You can find the link for this ebook in the description below. Okay, so today we're going to quickly talk about keyword search intent. I've talked about it before in the past, but I want to talk about it again because it's extremely important when we're optimizing our websites, right? You want to make sure you're optimizing for the right terms, and you want to make sure that you're not optimizing the different queries that Google shows the same results for. So most people think that the only way to find out how Google treats keywords is by running a lot of tests, right? But the answer can actually be found in the search engine result pages, right? So what I'm getting at is I'm going to use my website, Flower Power Packages, as an example. I sell flower packaging, that's cannabis packaging, to cultivators and dispensaries, right? So I should be focused on optimizing for marijuana packaging or cannabis packaging. Now, do I optimize for both, meaning that I have two separate pages for each query, each phrase, or can I just optimize one page for both phrases? Now, the only way I can see or determine this is by going to Google and seeing what Google shows me. So we're going to go to Google. We're going to type cannabis packaging in Google. And we're going to use one of my favorite tools called SEO Minion. SEO Minion, it does a lot of things. I won't even get into that, but I use it when I want to figure out, do I need to create two pages for a phrase that Google might show the same results for, right? So I already have the Chrome extension installed. We've already done the search for cannabis packaging. We see that Google is showing us different results here. So what we want to do next is we want to use the card, SEO Minion card or widget, whatever you want to call it. We want to make sure that it's on copy and not download. We want to make sure that it's all organic URLs, right? All organic URLs. And all we're going to do is hit go. Once we hit go, we've copied the URLs that are displayed right now. So all these websites here, I've copied the URLs. And I'm going to paste it into a spreadsheet that I've created specifically for this video. And this spreadsheet, it actually shows you at a glance if you should be optimizing for both phrases, meaning you're creating two pages on your website because you're using both phrases, right? So this is the spreadsheet. We have column A, which is where we're going to paste the results for cannabis packaging, and column B is where we're going to paste the results for marijuana packaging. And you'll see why we have these two columns in a minute. So we've pasted the results for cannabis packaging, and now we're going to do a search for marijuana packaging, right? We're going to do the same thing. We're going to copy. We're going to make sure it's on copy, all organic URLs. We're going to hit go, and we are going to paste it. So as you can see, there's certain cells that are highlighted, and they're highlighted because it's telling us that these highlighted cells are URLs that are in column A. So I can see quickly at a glance. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 URLs in column B that are also in column A. So I guess for me, a rule of thumb is if I see more than 6 highlighted cells, then that means that Google sees the phrase the same. So if this was showing me 5, 6 highlighted cells, I would say, okay, I'm just going to optimize one page for both phrases, cannabis packaging and marijuana packaging, on one page on my website, versus creating 2 separate pages, meaning you have a primary keyword phrase for one page that's marijuana packaging, and you have another page that's a primary keyword phrase is cannabis packaging. So we're going to do this one more time for the road. Different queries, different keywords. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and delete this, and we're going to try this again with labor management software. We're going to search for labor management software first, and then we're going to search for workforce management software second. All right, so let's go ahead and put in labor management software. All right, so you can see that I see workforce here. Even though I put in labor management software, I'm seeing workforce management software. Again, I put in labor management software, but Google is showing me workforce management software. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and copy the URLs, right? I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to go back, and I'm going to type in workforce management software. And I'm going to go ahead and copy these URLs as well. And I'm going to go ahead and hit paste here. Now, we can see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 URLs that are highlighted. 7 cells are highlighted, which means that these 7 URLs are on this side, are in column A. So that means what? That is telling me that Google sees labor management software just the same. Google is saying, okay, I typed in labor management software, but my results were showing me workforce management software. And as you can see, Google is showing me the same result, the same website URLs for each one. So that means all I need to do is create one page on my website, and I'm optimizing for both phrases for one page. So I could say that depending on maybe even the search volume, that if the search volume is high for labor management software versus workforce management software, maybe I will optimize that. That would be my primary keyword phrase on the page. And then my secondary keyword phrase might be workforce management software. You can also make your decision based on the keyword difficulty, which is something I'm not going to get into right now. But the purpose of this is to show you that Google is seeing these 2 phrases, labor management software and workforce management software, the same, because it's showing us the same results. And I've created this spreadsheet to make it easier for you to see just at a glance, you know, that, okay, seven URLs, I can go ahead and say that creating one page makes more sense for this one. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. Also, if you're interested in learning how to increase your store's conversion rate, average order value, and you're ready to start getting repeat customers, I have a free ebook available for download titled The No Fail Get More Repeat Customer System. You can find the link for this ebook in the description below.